Hey guys, Justin here of Vigatech, and today we're talking about this Lenovo K12 Pro. If you're looking for a smartphone with a large display, deliverable performance, and long-lasting battery life without breaking the bank, then this is something you should definitely check out. The Lenovo K12 Pro originally retails for 9,990 pesos, but now you can get it for only 7,299 pesos. There are many reasons why this phone is worth considering, but let me share with you some of its top features. First is its design. Uniquely, it features a water-repellent polycarbonate back that has a somehow wave-textured pattern, which makes it less prone to fingerprint smudges. This makes it look modern and tough. Next is its large 6.8-inch HD+ slightly curved Max Vision display that gives off that full-screen experience. It's very good for binge-watching shows, multitasking, or even when simply browsing through social media. Plus, we do prefer its notch that's placed on the upper left corner. You can expect accurate and vibrant colors on this display, as well as average brightness levels under direct sunlight. Another favorite feature for us is its pure stock Android software. With Android 10, we get a clean, straightforward, and Google-centric interface with features such as dark mode, split screen, digital well-being, and parental controls. Oh, there's also an FM radio available in case it's something you're looking for. Now, one of the best things about the K12 Pro is its whopping 6,000 mAh battery with 20 watts fast charging and 2.5 watts reverse charging. As we get a power-efficient display, this phone can actually last you a day or two if you're not a heavy user. When we ran it through our standard video loop test wherein we loop a 1080p video at 50% brightness and volume with airplane mode turned on and earphones plugged in, the K12 Pro got a complete 22 hours and 15 minutes, which is impressive. You wouldn't need to bring a power bank every now and then. For our last top feature, here's where its camera capabilities come in. Its triple camera setup is composed of a 64-megapixel wide, a 2-megapixel macro, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. Meanwhile, for selfies, we get a 16-megapixel front shooter. Most of the time, we get well-detailed shots with natural-looking colors. And I like how the standard mode gives a subtle depth effect. Moreover, having a 64-megapixel lens will give you high-resolution photos with a lot of details. It also works well for night photography as the night mode greatly improves details and exposure. Selfies, on the other hand, look pretty modest with nice details and good colors. Overall, I had an awesome time taking photos with this one. And that's it, guys. What do you think of this Lenovo K12 Pro? Leave your comments down below. Once again, it's available for only 7,299 pesos for a limited time, so don't forget to add to cart on or before Lazada's birthday sale on March 27 to get a discount. Better to check out by 12 midnight tonight so you don't miss out. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this is Justin, and don't forget to wash your hands and stay at home.